Nous célébrons aujourd'hui un amour sincère, fait de regards partagés, de discussions sans fin, de verres de vin, de danses spontanées, de silences complices jour après jour. Et si nous sommes ici, c'est parce que nous avons tous, à un moment ou à un autre, été les témoins de cet amour et de cette complicité qui unissent nos deux amis. Aujourd'hui, plus que jamais, nous témoignons de cet amour et nous témoignerons encore tout au long de ce chemin, de cette histoire qu'Arthur et Yagmur ont décidé de continuer ensemble.
And now we are here to celebrate this union. I hope they will be happy and they will make us a lot of babies as soon as possible. So I wish you the best.
Today is a day of overwhelming emotion for me. Yagmur, from the moment you came into my life, you have been my sunshine, my joy, my reason to smile even on the darkest days. And now, seeing you with Arthur, I know you are exactly where you are meant to be. And Arthur, I come to you now. Arthur, thank you for loving my daughter so deeply. I see the way you look at her with kindness, respect, and true love. And I know she is in safe hands. Now to both of you, marriage is a journey of learning, growing, and holding each other through all seasons of life. May your love be your home, your strength, and your guide. I am so proud of you, Baba. Baby. I love you more than words can ever express. And Arthur, welcome to our family.
To my good. Almost 6 years ago, I was still figuring life and I didn't have a place I could call home. My home was where my loved ones were. Then one night I met you. And it felt like my soul had been waiting for you all along. 22, 21. I fell in love. I found the man I'll marry. That was just 9 days after we met. But I can tell you now, my soul knew long before that. I can already see the future that we're building together in front of us, full of Sunday mornings, shared coffees, and one day a family of our own. Not with 3 kids, maybe less. I can't wait to raise children with you, to give them love and safety we built between us. To make a home where laughter echoes and love is the foundation. I don't promise you a perfect life, but I promise you a life full of life. I promise to hold your hand, to listen when words are hard to find, and to be your safe place in the world that can feel unkind. I vow to love you in the moments that feel like magic and in the moments that feel like work. Because loving you is my greatest privilege. Today and always, I'm yours.
To my Gulum, I didn't expect to meet the woman of my life in a bar, but between the noise, the drinks, there you were. Today, in front of all our favorite people, I promise to always love you, laugh with you, and always pretend to care deeply about your work stories into it. You are my love, my partner in crime, my home. Today, I give you all of me without any hesitation. I love you.
Every time we were California dreaming, our whole life fit in that car. Didn't have a bed to sleep in, we kept each other warm under a ceiling full of stars. These days, these nights, changing. I'm up, I'm set on you. I'm not afraid to say it, to say I do. I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road.